This special Peterbilt is built for Mr. Fred, old customer, second truck. Here we have a 5,000 gallon, 20,000 front axle, 4310 blower, state of the art, hoist system, custom paint job, the way Fred wanted it. Full reopening door, hydraulic, custom motor. This truck is a beauty. Bed lights, aluminum wheels, new tires, custom bumper, heavy duty, 2 inlets, custom baffles, it's a beauty. State of the art, the best. Thank you, Fred.